So, hello friends, I welcome you all on this YouTube channel. So, the subject is materials in electrical engineering. So, in this subject, the topics are very much theoreticals, right? It's a mainly theoretical subject. So, you have to study this and this subject is like physics, right? Physics of 11th and 12th class, right? So you can read the subject easily, right? So we have to discuss now the properties of electrical conductors. First property is temperature. I have already discussed this. You can visit that on my YouTube channel under the section, under the playlist of MES, right? Materials in electrical system. So there I have discussed that when you change the temperature, how the resistivity of electrical conductor changes, right? Here now, continuing with the same topic, let me discuss the other properties of electrical conductors. So second property, as you're watching here, is alloying, right? Alloying. So alloying means mixing, right? Mixing some impurities to some original metal in order to increase the resistivity for some specific applications, right? Okay, so for example, when you add zinc 40% to 60% of copper is original metal in which you are adding this impurity, that is zinc 40%. Then by adding this zinc, the alloy is formed, which is a mixture of copper and zinc. So this is called as brass, right? You might have studied brass, right? In earlier times, people were using this brass into their home and kitchens for pots, right? So alloying means mixing of impurities. So once you mix some materials into some original metal, the resistivity is increased, right? So alloys have higher resistivity than the pure metals, right? So when a metal is alloyed, it also requires higher mechanical strength, right? So which is needed for certain applications, right? So example is brass, right? Second is mechanical properties, right? Mechanical properties, this derivation I have already discussed, right? All these things are already known to you by some way or the other. So this subject is theoretical only. You have to study it. You can read it. So mechanical stressing is the next property. Third property is mechanical stressing. First was effective temperature, second is alloying, third is mechanical stressing, right? So we are discussing the properties of electrical conductor. So mechanical stressing means that the conductors are mechanically stressed in order to increase the tensile strength, right? So by that, the material become more hard, okay, and the resistivity increases slightly. So this is the third property. So now let us come to the next topic, classification of the conducting material. Conducting material को आप दो पार्ट्स में क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं, राइट? फर्स्ट इज लो रेजिस्टिविटी मटेरियल, जिसकी एग्जांपल है कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम और स्टील, और दूसरा है हाई रेजिस्टिविटी कंडक्टिविटी मटेरियल, जिसके एग्जांपल हैं टंगस्टन, नाइक्रोम, मैग्नीज, प्लेटिनम, कॉन्स्टेंटन एक्सेट्रा, राइट? सो लो रेजिस्टिविटी कंडक्टिविटी मटेरियल मीन्स copper and aluminum, steel, right? Lower resistivity means high conductivity. You know that resistivity is inverse of conductivity. So these low resistivity or high conductivity material like copper, they are used in making windings of the motor, generator and rotating electrical machine, and they are making the windings. They are used in the windings of transformers, right? Similarly, this is the high resistivity conducting material, जिसकी एग्जांपल है टंगस्टन. You might have seen this in the bulb, right? Electric bulb. its melting point is very high, right, around 3300 degrees Celsius, right. So now this is nichrome. Nichrome, where have you seen? You can see this nichrome element in your electric iron, right. Similarly, platinum is used in platinum resistance thermometer for accurate measurement, precise measurement of temperature. Similarly, constantan, you can use this constantan into ammeter and voltmeter and other laboratory instruments, right. Now